At the world famous KROQ. Welcome. Just by a show of hands and some noise. Any Royel Otis fans in the house? I mean, if you listen to KROQ, if you work at KROQ, definitely I think number one breakout KROQ act last year. Seemingly came out of nowhere with that just infectious song, Sofa King, and now of course a part of the fabric of this radio station. We couldn't be happier to invite them here to the very first time, Royel Otis! Gentlemen. Did you have the middle seat on the airplane over? Is that why you don't want to be in the middle?
I had a whole aisle, baby.
Did you really?
Yeah, man.
You're making that Sofa King money now, huh?
Yeah.
Well, it is really cool. You know, we have so many bands here at KROQ, but it's rare to get to talk to a band that, again, kind of came out of nowhere. I didn't even know what you guys looked like when we first started playing you on KROQ, and then just that song Sofa King took over the world. But I think what's even crazier, more ironic, is you guys are so talented. Sofa King, of course, all over US radio, and then you do this little Triple J radio gig in Australia, like 2 weeks ago. You cover Murder on the Dance Floor, and that thing is just nuclear right now.
That's crazy.
I just got for the crowd. Have you guys seen that? Do you guys know what I'm talking about? Over 1 million views online. Of course, you can stream it now. It's an official single, across streaming. Did you anticipate that kind of reaction?
Not at all.
Not in the slightest, man.
Yeah, we rehearsed it one day before we started doing it. So
We had about an hour to get it done, and then that's what happens, huh?
Nice.
Now, did you guys come up with a bunch of different options of songs you wanted to cover? Were there any what songs wound up on the cutting room floor?
we had a couple. We had "Build Me Up, Buttercup."
Okay.
Why do you build me up? Which is sick, but didn't sound that good. And then we tried. What was it? The Hives. What was that one?
Oh yeah, the Hives, but that was just for fun.
We're just running through ideas. We're pretty
We were
stressed
getting
out.
kind of angry about it.
And then someone was like, just trying to on the dance floor, and we're like, you give it a crack, and then it worked out.
Well, I was going to say, if Royel Otis doesn't work out, the Hives have started a franchise program where you can actually be the Hives in your hometown and perform as the Hives. This is
Really?
real.
That's a real thing?
That's a real thing.
We'll do that.
I'm just saying.
He'll do that.
Maybe a plan B.
I quit right now.
Now, I thought kind of something that piqued my interest is if you guys have never seen Triple J, this radio station down in Australia, they do Like a Version, which is this awesome series of cover songs, right?
Yeah.
And I know you guys were big fans of DMA's version of Cher, Believe, and I mean, they've even been covered. DMA's has been covered by, I think, Sticky Finger.
Yeah, I've seen that.
You see that?
Yeah.
So if you could pick like a contemporary artist to cover, say, Sofa King, who would you pick?
Do they have to be alive?
Well, with AI now,
I don't know.
Probably DMAs. I reckon.
Yeah.
They would.
We'll just go like
What if we
Go
expanded
pop.
it to dead people?
to dead people. Oh,
Sinead O'Connor.
Okay.
yeah.
Now, in terms of inspiration, I was hearing you guys tell somebody in an interview recently that your favorite way to get inspired by music, and I don't know if this was a joke or not, but is listening to music in the shower where you can't really tell what they're saying or doing.
Yeah,
A
100%.
lot of people do that.
But it wasn't a joke.
No.
Because I think there's a genius to
real.
that.
Yeah.
Because it's kind of, you just hear the tempo, you just kind of take note of how the song, the cadence makes you feel,
Yeah.
and you don't get lost in the weeds, so to speak.
You hear the melodies, but they're completely wrong once you turn the shower off.
Yeah.
You come up with some sick shit thinking you're
Bathroom
doing their
reverb.
song. Yeah.
Well, very cool. And can you tell us a little bit about Sofa King? Of course, we've been playing it, but we've never gotten to talk to you guys about this. I mean, this is all over Los Angeles radio every single day, seemingly on the hour, every hour.
Thank you for playing it.
Well, thank KROQ. Is Miles the DJ
Thank you,
here?
K-Rock.
Somewhere.
Thank you,
KROQ.
that guy.
Huh?
A good ear of the KROQ music team. But talk about how that song came about.
That was that was a demo Roy had.
Yeah, I had it a while ago.
Mm.
I was actually, because I'm good friends with the DMA's guys, and they were starting to take off, and I was like, I'm going to take advantage of my friends, capitalize on it, and I was like, tried to write a song that I thought would suit them, and then I was like, no, it's better for me, and then Otis and I started doing music, and I was like, it's actually better for Otis.
Yeah.
Now,
I definitely got the vibe that you guys were doing your own thing and carving out your own lane when you got a song with the word "fuck" in the chorus on U.S. radio.
Yeah.
I could tell that, you guys weren't made in some factory somewhere. You were definitely speaking from the heart, and I understand that was actually really important before almost anything else in the creative journey of Royel Otis. Is you guys just establishing your own sound before you really establish much of any sort of other identity. You don't see that all the time in music now. It feels like when a genre gets a label or an aesthetic becomes popular, there's a flood of artists, trying to cash a lottery ticket, so to speak. But you guys didn't want to do that.
No.
I feel like when we got together, that was like one of the things we were talking about a lot. Was just like making a sound and
everyone was doing Tame Impala. Like everyone wanted
in
to do
Australia,
Tame
at
Impala.
least. I don't know about here, but
Yeah.
in Australia, a lot of people were trying to do Tame Impala.
And so we were like, we got to steer away from that. Even just like people hear a hint of synth in like a song, they go Tame Impala. In Australia, I don't know about here. It's my second day here, so
What do you make of Los Angeles? Is this your first trip out here?
love it, man.
Don't like it that much. I love it. My sister lives here, so yeah.
Well, I was gonna say, you guys, knowing where a lot of the, if you guys don't know, not to speak for you, but you record a lot of your music, not so much in Sydney or a metropolitan area in Australia. You guys go north, kind of like into the mountains.
Byron Bay, baby.
Byron Bay.
So what is it like there? I mean, to someone who's never been.
So beautiful.
It's beautiful, but like summer, I want to avoid going there in summer because there's just snakes fucking everywhere. Snakes.
Wait, like actual snakes?
Yeah.
Oh, it's great. It's full.
I thought you didn't like the tourist
Snakes.
crowd and you were calling them snakes.
No. That sounds edge, dude. No, legitimate snakes. I don't feel comfortable anywhere.
I had no idea. I've never been to Australia. That's amazing. But there's a bunch of snakes down there.
Well,
Yep.
it
Yeah,
depends where-
venomous snakes. Because you guys have snakes as well. But
But they're
Australia,
chill.
They're dangerous.
Cute little rattlesnakes and stuff.
I don't know if all snakes are chill here.
Compared to Australian snakes, yeah.
Now, February 16th, your debut studio album is going to come out. Pratt's in Pain?
Yeah.
Am I saying that right? What does Pratt's mean? Am I an idiot?
It means idiot.
Oh, there you go. That's like, you know what that just felt like when you think there's somebody in the mirror and it's you.
Yeah. No, it's kind of it's like I don't know, it's like an English term for an idiot, I think.
It quite literally is.
I could,
Kinda, yeah.
Wow. I should learn
around
that term.
Yeah.
Well, I should learn it if that's true.
But it's named after a pub we went to when we were recording.
Is that different than the pub you met? Because didn't you meet in a bar?
Yeah.
We met at a bar, I think.
It was a bar I was working. We say
You say
that
that,
because it's
yeah.
the easiest thing to say.
Is that a made up story for press?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, 'cause
we
we don't
definitely
know
didn't meet
when.
in a bar.
Something else I want to clear up. Did you guys form in 2019 or 2020?
Andrew?
2019, yeah.
Because those are vastly different years.
If
If you remember what was going on in the world.
Yeah.
Actually,
It was 2019. I remember.
Where is that?
Did you well, it's curious. Did you find that when the world did shut down, did that hinder anything, or did it actually make you guys grow closer
Probably
together?
saved us, I reckon.
It saved us, yeah.
So we would have gone too hard, too fast, and then yeah.
As in not doing music, just like doing other things. But having to get locked into rooms, it's just like
Stay home.
what do you do? Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly. Stay home, do stuff.
Are you gonna thank COVID and the liner nuts?
Oh, some people don't have much to thank it for. That's the thing.
Now, I got a kick out of just being, obviously I work here at KROQ, and we got a bunch of KROQ fans here, and it's such a long.
Thank you, guys.
And you guys were talking about, you definitely kept your humility amidst the rise of your music. You were saying that your music is simple, and that it sounds like you trying to sound like the bands you want to sound like, but you never do, or something to that effect, which I got a kick out of. And one of those favorite bands you mentioned is one of the biggest KROQ bands of all time, is The Cure.
Yeah.
They're beautiful.
Love the Cure.
They're beautiful.
What about Robert Smith is just so good to you guys?
His voice and his guitar tone and
His songwriting.
his song, a lot. Head to
He's
toe.
just a cool dude. It seems, I haven't met him, but it seems like
Great guy.
Seems like
Yeah.
a nice fella.
Now, on the topic, and we'll end on this before we hand it over to you guys to get ready and give us this performance. With the new album, the debut album, I should say, February 16th,
Yeah.
is there a song that's not out yet? You know, of course, maybe people in LA really know Sofa King. Is there a song that you're excited for them to hear?
Glory to glory.
yeah.
Glory, glory.
Glory to glory.
Nice.
It's a, I don't know if many people will like it, but it's my favorite.
I reckon it's,
Do you guys agree on that favorite?
yeah,
All right.
yeah, I'd say so. Yeah.
Well, guys, thank you
Good,
so
I
much.
hope
Another
we
round of
hear
applause for Royel
Thank you so
Otis.
much.
We're
Yay!
going to take the stage in just a little bit, but we're going to check in together for you guys. So thank you so much.
Woo!
Has taken over the world, and now they grace our soundspace stage for the very first time. Please welcome Royel Otis.
Yay! Oh, yours different.
Long time no see, huh?
2 minutes.
Thanks for hanging out with us. Let's start. You ready to go? Let's go.
That was cool.
This one's a brand new one that no one's heard before.
Comes out next. It's called Phone.
I love that song. Every time I'm nervous, I'm
It's good, it's good, it's good.
You're too kind to us, like.
On Surfer King. Shout out to KROQ.
Yeah, cool.
everyone doing?
Yeah.
You guys like dancing, or you guys just like saying shit?
Ah.
Question. Hey, I don't
I was
understand more of my vocal in my
I've
ears.
been dancing.
I just dropped out of it. Singing all the wrong notes. That's my excuse anyway. This next one's called Going Kokomo. Shows you
Have a dance if you can, but if you're not, can
That's fine. We respect Kevin.
We'll
Let's
dance.
go.
stress yourself. Don't stress yourself.
Don't do it. A couple more for you guys. Thanks for hanging. It's our first time in LA playing as Royel Otis, so it's very special. To see all these people here, it's pretty incredible. So thank you very much. We travelled a long way to be here for one show. Thanks for hanging out with us. Thank you. Show us what you got, LA. I mean, what day is it? It's a Tuesday or Monday. Awesome. Oh, it's a Tuesday in Australia, so that's what.
I swear it's a Sunday.
Is it? Is it a day ahead or behind?
Australia's behind.
Monday.
Oh no, Australia's ahead. No, you're right, Timmy. You're right.
You're right.
Tuesday.
Okay, we'll figure that one out. Quick Google check. This song's called Oysters in My Pocket. ladies. Thank you so much.
Thank you very